In this video I'm going to show you how to add a country drop-down list in Google Forms. So what we will do, we will open a new Google form or use an existing one. And then we will go to this little menu on the right side and click on the plus sign to add a new question. So do that and then ask something like, from which country are you? So the next step will be to select this option, the short answer option, and then go a little bit down and there you will find drop down. Select that option and then add the first question. Let's say you are targeting the EU. So let's say the Netherlands, France, Spain, Germany, and then something like Poland. You can also use ChatGPT to generate a list with all the EU countries to make it more easy. For now I will leave it like this, we have like 5 examples. Then make sure you require this option, so you will select this option. So people are mandatory to answer this question. And after that I will preview it. So what we will do next to preview it is go to the interface on the right top and there you will find the preview option. Select that option. Now if you accept this option, then go back, then you will find our new question. And this question is asking, from which country are you? Now you will find the drop-down list with all the countries you have filled in. So let's say we are from the Netherlands, then we will select the Netherlands. And this is how you successfully add a country drop-down list in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!